Hello everybody in a new video in my channel. So you wanna learn the tag planche fast? In less than 2 minutes I will show you everything you need step by step. So just make sure that you subscribe the channel and like the video and share it with your friends. Let's go. Step number 1. Planche leans. Lean forward, feel your shoulders working. If you can hold this position for 10 seconds, so you need to start doing some push-ups with the same position, at least 5 push-ups. Step number 2, frog stand. Balance on your hands with knees on elbows for at least 10 seconds. And if you can do it, let's jump to step number 3. Start lifting your feet, bent arms first, then straight arms. And the last step here is opposite push-ups. Starts with your knees on the floor and your chest on your knees and push yourself up slowly. And this some common mistake: avoid sagging hips, rounded back or loose shoulders. Keep always your back tight and push your shoulders forward. Train smart, be patient, and you will get it. See you in the next video.